Oh, fuck, it is too. Oh, fantastic. What a bunch of silicone. That's just complicated things. Apparently they didn't even put a gasket in here to seal the oil tank to the chain case cover. They siliconed it. Oh wow. I wonder who the engineers figured that one out. So now we got to clean this up really good. We're gonna clean it up with some brake cleaner. I'm using some brake cleaner to get all the oil out of here because once I get it back together, I gotta let it sit. I don't want oil in there or else the silicone ain't gonna stick. So what we're gonna do is we do that. We're gonna get all this old silicone off. And then I'm gonna take some lacquer thinner, clean it up real good so it's dry on both parts. Because then when you put it back together, the silicone's going to stick really good. But we got to leave it set up before we put oil in it. A lot of guys do the videos, they video the whole thing and then they speed it up. You know what I mean? Are you taping right now, I suppose? Douche. So I'm going to put a little lacquer thinner. I like to wipe all the areas that are going to need silicone or gaskets with lacquer thinner. Dries up real nice, there's no oil left on it. Silicone sticks really well. Most everything I use for silicone is ultra black or the gold. Gold is for high heat. This stuff works good everywhere. And for spots I can't get to, I'll use a screwdriver. Okay, let's put the oil tank on. That looks pretty good. There, just like that. Kind of like the way it was. Damn. Voila! We're good to go. We're gonna let that silicone set up for a little bit, guys, gals, everyone. And then we can put our oil back in. It's an electronic fuel pump, so you really don't have to bleed anything. Yeah, it should bleed itself out, but we will make sure and that everything works before we put it away. So we're back, guys. Silicone set up. So what we're gonna do is go ahead and add some good oil. I know it says to use manufacturer's oil, but if you use a good, great oil like this Legends oil, which is fantastic. Good oil all around. I use it in my race sleds, use it in my mod sleds. It's got to work in a stalker. So we're gonna go ahead and put some in here. Very good oil.
What do you like about that oil?
Well, it's thin. It's got a good low viscosity. Great in cold weather. Premix, oil injection, whatever. It's really good oil. And it is very low ash, from what I understand. No leaks. Obviously did my job. So we're also going to top up the chain case with a good quality synthetic 75/90 oil. You don't want the 140, it's too thick. So 75/90's good. That's all you need. It's about halfway in the sight glass, so I'm going to stop. That's all that's required. We got good chain case oil in the chain case. we are good to go.